Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video where we'll be comparing two amazing Sony cameras. If you're into photography or filmmaking, you definitely don't want to miss this. So without further ado, let's dive into the comparison. Both cameras deliver exceptional image quality, but with different sensor sizes. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, perfect for capturing detailed shots with vibrant colors. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus takes it to the next level with its impressive 61.0 MP full-frame back-illuminated CMOS sensor. You'll experience stunning image resolution and exceptional low-light performance. When it comes to video, both cameras excel in their own ways. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 shoots 4K movies oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, ensuring exceptional clarity and sharpness. Additionally, it offers a product showcase setting, perfect for vloggers and content creators, allowing smooth transitions between focusing on faces and objects. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus takes filmmaking to another level with its outstanding 8K and 4K capabilities. Capture your moments with incredible detail and cinematic quality. Both cameras showcase impressive autofocus capabilities, but the Sony Alpha 7R Versus takes the lead with its next-generation AF and real-time recognition autofocus. This deep learning eye enables lightning-fast and highly accurate subject tracking, making sure your shots are always sharp and perfectly focused. Moreover, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus is equipped with an advanced Bions XR engine, delivering blazing-fast overall processing speed. In terms of convenience and connectivity, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 shines. With its easy live streaming capability, you can effortlessly start streaming by connecting a single USB cable. No additional hardware or software required. Additionally, it features a background defocus button, allowing you to toggle the defocus effect on or off instantly. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus focuses more on the professional user, offering advanced capabilities for serious photographers and filmmakers. That wraps up our comparison between these two incredible Sony cameras. Both the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Sony Alpha 7R Versus have their own strengths, catering to different needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.